DALL-E 2 is a neural network that can generate any kind of art based on descriptions. But what if today we use AI in a different way? In this video you'll see the top 5 famous brands that the neural network has remade. A lot of people like to take an evening stroll down the street, grab a coffee and just relax, but not today. The first logo that has been redesigned is Starbucks. At first glance it looks exactly like the original, but if you look closely you can see the funny facial features on the logo. I would try a coffee with such a new brand. Lacoste. What's the first thing that comes to mind when you hear that word? T-shirts, polos and perfume, of course. But not this time. Right now a very fierce crocodile is watching us. Just look at his eyes, if you find them. It feels so much like he just didn't get enough sleep. This is the only logo that hasn't changed much. Firefox. Okay, 1 second. Hold on. Oh no, that's a water fox! DALL-E, how do you explain the fact that you just put water in the logo? Maybe this will be the new browser of 2023? No, it's not abstract art by famous artists. It looks very true though. It's a regular nasty logo. True, the birds have flown south, long overdue. For a second, this is what a real logo looks like. AI, what have you done to it? Power, speed, comfort. Yeah, that's exactly how I'm describing the Bentley. But the neural network has its own plans for this logo. Abstract illustrations, blue and green colors. Is this what the company wanted when they came out with their logo? DALL-E, it's time for you to take a break. These were the top 5 brands that the neural network redesigned. It came out really funny. If you want more content like this, then subscribe and leave likes.